Wow. Yeah. All right. Now let me show you 5 good ways you can make money from YouTube aside monetization. Okay. Now so many people started YouTube. Some of you have thousands of followers, but maybe you are not yet monetized or you are not making money yet with your YouTube channel. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from your YouTube channel aside monetization. You see this watch? This is about $500,000. This ring is about $100,000, and this necklace is about $50,000. Don't mind me, I'm kidding, I'm joking, but I pray one day I will afford something worth of that. Okay, now let me just go straight to the point. Like, you know me, I don't like wasting time for any of my videos. Now I'm going to show you 5 ways you can generate at least $1,000 every month from YouTube, like I do. Okay, so aside monetization, though number one is monetization. We all know that once your videos are being monetized, you can make good amount of money from your videos, especially when you are into a financial videos and you are getting huge amount of viewers. You make a lot of money if you're into finance. Okay, though people that are doing into prank and comedy videos, they are still making money because their videos comes with a lot of views. Now aside YouTube monetizing your channel and you making money from YouTube, I'm going to show you other ways you can make money from YouTube. These are things that I'm actually doing right now. These are things that are actually paying me right now. Okay, now number one is that you are going to use a site called Transcript.com. Now when you go to YouTube, it must not be your own video. You can look for stories on YouTube. You know, some people upload videos, maybe tell stories on YouTube. You can look for good stories, you can look for good videos. Now use YouTube Transcript. This is what I do. Use YouTube Transcript to transcribe these videos into articles. Okay, now once you visit, you need to copy the link of that particular video you want to transcribe and then paste it there and generate next thing you're going to see is all the words, everything that the person, that the original owner of that video, whatever they uploaded, whatever they said, everything will be brought out to you in form of article. The next thing you're going to do is to visit vocalmedia. Vocal.media. I've actually apart from YouTube, sometimes I'm a writer. I write a lot of stories by myself, so it's kind of easier for me to write stories. So but for those of you who cannot write stories, you can actually use this pattern. Go to YouTube, look for any video, any good story video, use Transcript, YouTube Transcript.com to transcribe these videos into writing. Then the next thing you are going to do is to copy this, paste it on vocal.media. Vocal.media, once people are reading your articles, people are reading your stories, you see they will monetize that article and then you get paid. Just like the way YouTube are paying people for 1,000 views, YouTube are paying people for 1,000,000 views, you get paid for 1,000 read. Okay, once 1,000 people read your article, they will pay you. Now imagine you have over 100 articles on vocal.media and you can see different people reading your articles every day. You're definitely going to make a lot of money from vocal.media. Okay, now number 2 way to make money from YouTube is affiliate marketing. Yes, if you go to impact.com, there's a website called Impact have actually paid me in less than 6 months over 800,000 naira to 1 million naira. In dollar, that should be almost $1,000. Okay, so I use so many companies on Impact to do affiliate marketing. Okay, for example, like Namecheap, I talk about how you can get email for businesses, for those people who need business emails. I teach people how they can get their own business emails. Then I will give them an affiliate link. They register on Namecheap or other hosting companies. Then I get paid once they buy any product. Then there are also different companies you can also promote, talk about under Impact. So many companies are registered on Impact, and next thing you get paid every month directly into your bank account. That is Impact for you. So there are so many companies you can actually registered on Impact. Okay, so number 2 is affiliate marketing. Okay, so it's very good. Even though it's Amazon, you want to register with Amazon, you can look for good product. For those of you who like reviewing products, you can be doing this on YouTube. then people might like some of the best product that you're actually showing them. The next thing they want to do is how can they order for this. By the time your affiliate link or Amazon affiliate link, people click on it, or it could be Jumia. Okay, for those of you that are in Africa, especially in Nigeria, it could be Jumia. Once people click on it, it will definitely take them to their page, that product page. Once they buy it, you'll be making good amount of money for yourself. Now, another way you can also make good amount of money for yourself is by offering YouTube services. This area, I've actually made a lot of money because people keep calling me, please, I really want to start a YouTube channel. How do I go about it? It's not about creating a YouTube page. There are so many things about YouTube one need to know, the SEO part of each, settings, and so many other things. Then teaching people what to do and what not to do, how to get their videos go viral. These are things that people want to know. So people are ready to pay you for your service because they want to learn more about YouTube. They want to use, as it can be a company, they want to use YouTube as a means of promoting their product, or some want to start a YouTube just to make money from the monetization. So they want to get viewers, they want to get subscribers, so they want to learn from you. So I get paid for all these. People call me in different places, they pay me. Some even want one-on-one. They come to my place, or definitely I might arrange somewhere else if the place is very far, or they will come to my office. Definitely I'll be making money teaching people, offering people YouTube services. Another way you can also make good money from YouTube is by selling your own product. Now, this particular one is very good because now, for example, if you have a landing page, I might look for a very good product that is hot selling. I might start to review this product on YouTube. Remember, this is not affiliate. This is now your own personal product. Now, when you review this product on YouTube and people wash hand like, wow, I love this product, please, where can I get it? That is when you come in. Okay, definitely you'll be posting the link. This will work more better for you if you have a landing page. Okay, I'll be doing video on how to create a landing page. Although I'm a website designer, I'm a website developer, I build apps, but I also encourage you, if you cannot do this or you want to order for a services from someone that do it, fine, but it's very easier for you to create a landing page for yourself. I'll be creating videos where I'll be teaching you how to create a website. Under 30 minutes you have your landing page already. Okay, now can you subscribe to this channel because you will not be missing any of these videos. Now what I want to show you is that when you have your own product to sell, you can definitely sell your own product on YouTube. When you upload videos, you talk about this product. Now, what happens is that when people like this product, let's assume you might not even be the owner of this product. Let's assume there's a company that supplies this product and I love it. It might be human hair for those women who love selling hair. Okay, so it might also be a gadget, it might be phone, whatever they want to sell. They want to start making videos, people start demanding for it. Definitely, even with that money, you can just go to the company. Once people order, then you buy it and supply to them. But if you have a landing page, that is where it will be more professional. That is where it will be more easier for you. Let me tell you something. Upside monetization, this particular one is very easy. Selling product on YouTube. Okay, you can be reviewing different products. You could be, there's one particular product that will sell. That was about the blender. I think it was blending bottles. I mean, this product, when it came out new, people really sold a lot. Okay, and they are not the manufacturers, they are not the importer, just that they know the place where they can buy it as a wholesale. Then they started creating videos. You see over 500 comments. Please, how do I get this? How do I order this? Now, such person already know where to get it. What they do is that they'll send you their WhatsApp number. You call, you do business online. Once you pay money, they'll send it and they'll ship it to your location. And some who are more professional always have what we call landing page, which means you will be making payments automatically on their website with your address, shipping address and everything. Once they receive the payment, immediately you don't even need to call them. They will package your product for you and they will send it to your address. So this is what we call selling your own product on YouTube. So these ways you can really make money on YouTube aside monetization. For me, I still believe that yes, for those of you who want to start YouTube, before you get monetized, you can try all of these things that I've just mentioned. You can try selling your own products. Most importantly, you can try registering it on vocal.media, then use YouTube transcript.com, get videos on YouTube to transcribe them and then post the articles there. You can also work with affiliate company like impact.com. This Impact is very good because with impact.com, there's so many companies you can work as you can work, both Amazon, so many companies. Okay, you can also offer YouTube services to different people, creating YouTube page, teaching them a lot about YouTube, and you get paid for it. Aside that, you can also offer these services on Fiverr. Yes, people will go on Fiverr. You see people offering YouTube service on Fiverr, creating YouTube page and helping people to get more subscribers. So you see, you can make a lot of money. Combine this together, believe me, you are going to make a lot of money. Okay, you are going to make over $1,000 to $2,000 every month. This is what I have been doing with my friends. So a lot of them that be doing this and will be making money. Yes, I know. I have different YouTube channels. 2 of my YouTube channel have been monetized. I make money from my YouTube channel monetization. Of course, I need more money, so I have to create more ways to make more money, so that one day when I'm showing you that this watch is worth $500,000, definitely is worth. But for now, don't mind me, I'm just joking. So once again, please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos. Thank you.